All right, this is by far my new favorite desk. I absolutely am in love with this thing. It took about 30 to 40 minutes to install. The instruction manuals are really easy to do and to go through. So super simple to complete. It has a lot of space on the top. You could easily fit another laptop up there comfortably and still have space, or you have a space for one and like a work area for the other. The slit right up here, you can put your phone or something else in it. If you don't want to utilize it, it's fine. It does have a little lip up, so just keep in mind that it will not be flush right over here. And then you also it has a slight little texture here on the tabletop here. It's not really like, it's still like a smooth surface, but if you can kind of see, there's like a slight little pattern there. And it does have a drawer, which is nice, so you can put stuff in, get a few spare parts. The drawer is not, it's not like a, it's not the same material as the tabletop, the drawer. It's more like the ones where you can take this out and then underneath there's nothing but fabric. So I wouldn't put nothing too heavy in it. This is how it sits underneath it too. So it's not completely covered, but it's definitely useful. You can use a nice little footrest right here. So this is on carpet currently. I would say doing it on tile or vinyl floor or something like that is definitely a lot smoother and able to wheel around. Having it on the carpet, it doesn't necessarily wheel as easily just because of the size of the wheels and stuff, but you can easily like lift up a little bit and then wheel it with you. It's not heavy at all. I didn't have, well, in my opinion, it's not heavy at all, just to lift up the one side and then kind of wheel it with you on the carpet. And it obviously depends on the kind of carpet you have, if it's very plush or, you know, something like that. And then the wheels, there's two locking wheels right there where you'll push down these to lock the wheels into place if you wanted to, if you don't want to have it moving around. But I keep mine on lock. I move mine around. It's super easy to do and it's just comfortable. Here's some of the instructions for when you lower it. This stays right on there, so that's very nice to have. But you'll just unscrew that and then you can adjust the height there into the different levels. I keep mine always standing because I really like it standing up, and I just, you know, kind of carry it around and push it around the house with me. So I really like it, and it works great for what I needed it for.